unongovona kuti mashoko amambo ndeamambo. Zvanzi namambo vana vanoita musikanzwa vasvasvangwe. The drug and substance abuse menace continues to hound our society, including our young people. Under the Second Republic, we will not tolerate our young people engaging in drugs. The medicine is what the chief said. Ndo mshonga wacho. As such, government is instituting various measures towards eliminating the scourge of drug and substance abuse. I challenge our young people in the junior parliament to take the lead in fighting drug and substance abuse in both schools and communities where they reside. We do not want to produce among you professors, economists, and lawyers who do not know kubikambambaira. We do not want to produce among you magistrates, judges, captains of industries, pilots who do not know kukanga majuru. Ndati itai muchitaurisa nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Nyika inotongwa nevene vayo. Nyika inonamatigwa nevene vayo.